Hey everybody, and today I'll be telling you how you can look so good in Roblox, so cheap, and spend none Robux. So the first thing that you need to do is take all your clothes off and basically you take everything off. And then what you'd want to do is, if you're blonde, you'd put on blonde spiked hair. And then if you have brown hair, then you'd put on the brown hair. And so anyways, so it starts out like this, and then if you basically want to get some free good looking clothes, this is what I suggest. Then you want to go to shirts, ignore most of these, and then I'd look for a shirt. So let me just have a minute, guys, and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so the shirt that you want to put on is this blue pallid shirt. Surprisingly, I do not have this in my inventory, even though I usually should. And then your character should look like this. And then next, you'd want to click on here. So then it's a fast and quick way of how to make your character look pretty good. Or you could just spend Robux to buy people's stuff. But this, basically guys, if you want to look a little bit better, you go, let me just look for something, guys. So I just need to look for like faces. 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm just going here, and as you see, I have a bunch of little faces. But if I suggest this is the one that I would use. So let me just go back a little bit, and then what I do is I do where, and then edit avatar. And so then when I go here, I actually look pretty cool. And then like you play games and say to your friend, oh look, my skin looks pretty cool, and I spent no Robux. So guys, I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew this way, so then you could look cool to your friends and not look like a noob in Roblox. And so hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all later. Make sure to subscribe.